Let's get ready to learn with the Say and Play with Words Word of the Week.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this week's word is bird. Birds talk by tweeting, like this. Tweet, tweet. See how many times you can use the word bird this week.
Check out sayandplaywithwords.org for free things that will help you learn words. Because words unlock success.